Welcome to an insightful exploration into ticket fare evasion, a persistent issue in public transit systems worldwide. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep, and in this video we'll delve into both traditional and pioneering methods to combat this challenge. We'll also highlight how a computerized maintenance management system can be a game changer in managing the maintenance needs of public transit systems. So stay tuned to gain some valuable insights that can help enhance the efficiency of your operations. Now let's dive into the world of ticket fare evasion. You might be wondering, what exactly is ticket fare evasion? Well, it's a situation where a person or a group of people simply don't pay for a ticket. This could be because they see it as a challenge. They just don't want to spend the money, or they are stuck without the legal means to get into the bus or train. This happens more often than most people think. Take New York City, for example. It deals with about 208,000 subway riders and 384,000 bus riders who manage to avoid paying for a ticket. As you can imagine, cities aren't thrilled about this. It costs them a lot of money to tackle this issue, and many of the old methods just don't work well enough to justify the cost. Plus, city planners are often stuck using old and outdated systems to maintain their public transit systems. Here's a tip for those of you involved in maintaining public transit systems. For parts and equipment that need preventive maintenance or repair, you can use a computerized maintenance management system to keep track of work orders. So, what are some traditional and pioneering methods of preventing ticket fare evasion, and how can they be implemented? Let's start with the traditional methods. Many subway, tram, train, and bus riders are familiar with some of these methods. They can include ticket inspectors, uniformed guards, conductors, barricades, police officers, and more. When these transport systems first came to be, these methods worked fairly well. They relied on distributing proofs of payment, which barricades and staff would assess to make sure everyone had paid for their ride. However, as the example about New York City showed, these methods simply can't cut it today. There are too many people taking public transportation and too little public trust to rely solely on tradition. So, what are some of the new technological advances and devices that cities use today? The first technical devices widely used to reduce ticket fare evasion were prepaid cards and tickets. These sped up the time needed to enter the train or bus station and reduced the need for people, such as conductors. However, people still faced problems when the cards would not work or paper tickets were lost. It was also not terribly difficult to bypass these systems. The next step in the ticketing process may be the use of smartphones to further track who has a ticket and who does not. Smartphones could connect into the transport system and automatically deduct the appropriate charge from the user's bank account. Other pioneering techniques include communicating the issue more clearly, installing better sensors and cameras, and innovative ways of addressing the issue, such as different types of fines. The possibilities are endless, but the future is just beginning. With awareness of different methods of preventing fare evasion, you will be well on your way to ensuring more accountability among passengers. Thank you for joining us today. We've explored the issue of ticket fare evasion, traditional and pioneering methods to tackle it, and how a computerized maintenance management system can revolutionize maintenance management in public transit systems. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information about UpKeep and our services, please visit us at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.